YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. Guys, it's almost midnight tonight, and I don't think I'm gonna go to sleep tonight. I already knew this was gonna be one of those nights. Look at Toshi Coin, guys, 200 or 461 million market cap, and some people are saying, "Oh, it's because we got Upbit." We did get Upbit, guys. That is a big exchange, big Korean exchange, awesome exchange. But guys, this type of pump did not come from that. Just to let you guys know. Got Binance futures. That's a big deal, guys. Massive, massive deal. And we do know a lot of the time. Well, it's not that we do know. I'm not saying this for sure because I can't say it for sure, but I could just say it based off of 10 years of doing this crap. That again, and I told you guys this with Kraken when we got our Kraken futures. But before we get into that, I gotta tell you guys, I'm not financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Don't buy anything you see in this video. But when we got Kraken futures, I was telling you guys that first you get the futures trade and then you get the spot trade. Usually that's how it usually goes. So two different types of trading, future trading or you spot trading. So we're looking for spot listing on Binance. That's what we want. But futures is solid, man. Get that future trade, and who knows, maybe next is that spot trade, so that would be great. Toshi coin hitting all the way up to 465 million. Guys, I told you, man. I told you this could happen overnight. This is what happened right here. People don't listen, man. And I make these videos, and the price is low, and everybody's sad and crying, and all that QQ crap. And I'm just like, dude, man, like, this is why I tell you guys, man, if you cannot be in the game down here, please don't enter up here, bro. Please don't buy, like, some of you guys left out of the trade, you want to get back in the trade. Don't bother, bro. Don't bother, bro. Please, if you came in and you fudded up the project, if you bought this project in the past and now you're getting back into just crap talk or whatever because you realize, just don't, bro. Just don't. Or if you do, just shut up. Okay. If you decide that you want to get in and then the price goes down at any point, you cannot say a word. At least learn from it, right? I mean, I've done it. We've all done it, right? You walk away from a project and you're like, why did I do that? Live and you learn. You got to be patient in the game. But again, guys, we've been talking about, look, like I said, Bitcoin looking like it might decide to stretch. But I want to talk to you guys about some stuff because we gotta talk about some stuff, bro. I've been keeping it a bean, you know what I mean? Like every day, we gotta talk about the possibilities, the probabilities, and things that could happen, right? Looking at this Bitcoin chart right now, I could see why a lot of this market is pumping, guys. You can look at this all-time chart and you can see this bull flag again. We were just talking about this, bro. We just like literally, if you guys have been watching the episodes that have been coming out today, I'm spot on the money all day long, dude. I'm like lights out like Kobe today, bro. Talking about these higher lows right here. We're not out of this zone though. I don't want us to celebrate a little too early, right? It's still early in the week, guys. These Tuesday pumps, Monday, Tuesday. I don't like it, bro. I was even saying earlier, I don't want to see us retest 17.5 on a Tuesday. I would like to see this happen maybe at least on Wednesday, like it's still like 10 more minutes, so I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this, right? Because like literally we're right there. It's still Tuesday technically on the west side. Usually I look for major price swings. I look to enter trades and stuff like that. Usually around Thursdays. I always talk about Thursdays, right? We had a good Thursday last Thursday, and that's what I was saying. Interesting. I mean, you guys could go watch back and see all the videos. I'm not making this stuff up, bro. People think I make these stuff up after the fact. I really don't. We just go live. I click the button and I look at the chart right along with you guys. But again, Bitcoin higher lows here. We don't want to reject off the 17.5 on a Tuesday. That would be bearish, right? Going into Thursday and seeing a rejection that could be blood into the weekend, right? Rising wedge here. We're not out the woods yet, right? 17.5 still resistance. But I do think that us getting that Toshi listing was going to be big. I think that Bitcoin forming this bull flag on the 1 year is big. It's definitely something that I'm paying attention to on all time right here, right? Bull flag. I've seen this bull flag play out plenty of times. Again, we've highlighted this bull flag in multiple videos today. Not gonna beat a dead horse, but again, to look at Toshi, man. I told you guys if we broke above 300, I told you we were gonna run. It happened. If we broke above 400, I told you again we're gonna run, and it happened, guys. Toshi Coin could hit a new all-time high tonight, guys. And I told you that can happen. I told you that can happen, guys. People will say, I didn't say that will happen. I told you that will happen. And I wasn't over here just shilling you guys every single crappy entry point every single time this thing looked like I was in a dump. I've been transparent since the beginning, guys. I've been transparent with you guys since the beginning. Every time that this thing looks great, I've let you know. Every time that it looks sketchy, I let you know. I'm not here to sell you on anything on the project. Like I said, you got to go out here and do your own research. Don't even buy things based off of what I say. That's dumb. Don't do that. Always do your own research. Um, but again, I'm letting you guys know right now that this is the best price action that we've seen on Toshi in months, man. In months. This is the best price action that we've seen in a long time, man. I would say since right here, but I mean, this was a rejection, right? This is a clear breakout. I would say that this is the best breakout that we've seen since this, bro. And this could really go right there real quick. Like, we're not even that far off from a new all-time high on Toshi. You guys don't even understand. And that's why I'm telling you guys, you don't understand it, bro. You just don't get it. You just can't fathom it. Maybe if you look at it on this chart, you can see that we're very close to an all-time high. Do you get it now? Do you starting to see a little bit of what your boy's talking about in terms of how close we are to being up at a new all-time high? We are still, again, butting up against some key levels of resistance, and it's going to take every single one of you sharing this video over on Twitter in order for us to see some good positive price rally, probably, right? Because we got to get the word out. We got to support and we got to make some noise for Toshi, guys. It's the only way that we're going to start trending. But look at this nice bull flag. Oh, look at this bull flag, right? Don't we talk about the bull flag, man? I tell you, this bull flag can have some serious upside today. Toshi coin up on the day, guys. On the day, Toshi coin up over. I mean, earlier it was up like 80%. Earlier it was up like 80%, 67% time of the video, but it's at 420, man. It's at 420 million. 420, bro. What do you guys think? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you watching? Have you been watching the whole time? Some of you guys will say you've been watching the whole time, but I recognize the names, guys. I always recognize the names of the people that comment. Some of you guys have been watching and supporting the entire time. Some of you guys, you only come around when we're close to the new all-time high. I recognize you too. But it's not too late to support, guys. Again, all the support does help. I'm looking to relocate also, which is, again, this is perfect time. I really tried to time this. Some people would say that there's no way Crypto J could have timed this. You're a crazy person, Crypto J. I was trying to time this, bro. I had a feeling we were going to see a turnaround. Really, I thought it was going to come last month. I'm not going to cap. That it was going to come last month, but I knew like September, this rate cut coming hopefully next week. I mean, there's a lot of good things going on, so I was just like, okay, I'm patient. We just got to be a little bit patient. I figured if not August, probably September. We are like midway through September though. This has been grueling, right? Again, we were just at a point where we thought possible breakdown, right? I'm always telling you guys both sides of the coin, but right now, we'll tell you right now, this coin is looking pretty shiny right now because again, look at this 1 day candle, man. Look at this candle, bruh. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. What do you guys think? You guys think Toshi Coin's gonna hit a new all-time high soon? Let us know in the comment section. Also, I had somebody ask me, Crypto J, what is your price prediction on it? What do you think is going to happen with Toshi? How high can it go? And honestly, just my honest opinion on it is that this coin can go very high. It can go very high indeed, but only time will tell, buddy. Only time will tell. We did talk about, I said I do see this thing in the billions. Billions, right? Not just a billion. I said billions. But that's just a prediction. Again, I'm not Miss Cleo. I don't know the future, dog. I'm just really a normal person with a computer. Some people would say I'm a nerd, but I'm just a normal person with a computer. Definitely not a financial advisor. Definitely not qualified in any way, shape, or form to tell you to buy anything. So again, don't buy anything you see on the channel, guys. That would be really dumb, right? You always have to do your own research, like I always say a million times. Do your research. Don't buy things you hear on the internet. Do your research. But again, the fact that Toshi Coin is getting picked up by trusted exchanges just makes me feel great about the coin. Hope you guys had an awesome night tonight. I hope you guys are enjoying this pump, man. A lot of you guys, again, that are in the community have been following this coin. You've been following this channel. You've been supporting. You've been liking all my videos. And we've been in the trenches, guys. We've been in the trenches. Some people don't even understand. And they'll never understand, bro. It's like we just came home from war and we're heroes right now, bro. That's how it feels. And it feels like we just came home from the longest war ever. But again, guys, that's cryptocurrency for you. It's a battle, it's a struggle, and it's a test of your willpower. And it's going to make you question a lot of things, including your sanity, right? Imagine me, bro. Imagine me. I come on here and I speak with confidence in something that I have no idea what's going to happen in the future of, just based off the fact that I've been in this game for so long and I've seen how these things kind of play out. It's kind of crazy, but the longer you're in crypto, the crazier you feel. So again, maybe you guys feel crazy. Maybe some of you guys I feel like are already veterans, honestly. And that's the reason why I like Toshi, because I feel like a lot of big crypto heads are in this coin. A lot of new crypto people are also being attracted to this, but the OGs are being attracted to this. And you got your homie Crypto J talking about this, so you already know that means everybody else is going to be talking about it. It's just a matter of time. We usually wait like 10 million steps ahead of everybody else. We've been talking about Toshi since 10 million market cap, guys. And again, we might be about to hit a billion. So totally crazy. If it happens, we're going to celebrate. I already told you guys that we're going to be traveling and stuff. So we can't travel though without the support. So again, guys, share this over on Twitter. Like the video. Hit the comment section. Every single comment, every single like. It helps in the algorithm. We're trying to get this video to 1,000 comments. Let's try to get to 1,000 comments and 1,000 likes. Do it for Toshi, bro. Do it for the cause. And I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.